Hello, ma'am. I am Lasala Andre J.P. from BSCA 1 Alpha. And today, I will be giving an example on konyo with the translation of both Tagalog and English. Let's start. Konyo 1. Halika, let's eat na. So that may sagot tayo sa custom subject natin later. Standard Tagalog 1. Halika, kain na tayo para may sagot tayo sa custom subject natin mamaya. Standard English 1. Come on, let's eat so that we can have an answers in our custom subject later. Konyo 2. It's so init na in the Philippines. Standard Tagalog 2. Ang sobrang init na sa Pilipinas. Standard English 2. It's so hot in the Philippines. Konyo 3. Let's pasok na to our class. Standard Tagalog 3. Pasok na tayo sa klase natin. Standard English 3. Let's go to our class. Konyo 4. Pinili ko Customs Administration because I believe matutulungan ako nito in gaining skills na magiging kapaki-pakinabang sa aking future career. Standard Tagalog 4. Pinili ko ang Customs Administration dahil naniniwala ako na matutulungan ako nito sa pagkakaroon ng mga kasanayan na magiging kapaki-pakinabang sa aking hinaharap na career. Standard English 4. I choose Customs Administration because I believe it will assist me in gaining skills that will be useful in my future career. Lastly, Konyo 5. Masaya ako because Customs Administration helped me makarating sa place that accepts me. Standard Tagalog 5. Masaya ako kung paano ako tinulungan ng Customs Administration na makarating sa isang lugar na tinanggap ako. Standard English 5. I am happy how Customs Administration helped me reach into a place that accepts me. That is for me. Thank you for watching my examples and next time on the next activity.